I cannot have to focus on the class. All right, so 30 students were in the class, right? So it's a total of 30 in the class. That much we know. All right. So 30 students, 21 of our brother. So the total of our brother is 21, 16 of our sister. So that are the total. 8 of our brother, but not a sister, which is this, right? So how can we say how many students have neither a brother nor a sister? So we need to get, if we get this one here, we can figure out this one, and then we can figure out this one. Agree? So if the total of a brother is 21 and this is 8, we can simply subtract 8 from the 21, right? Which would give us 13 here. So if you have 13 here and you're supposed to have 16 that has a sister, that means 13 plus what give you 16? That would be 3. And then we can find the total, right? We add the 8, the 13, and the 3. 3 and 3, 6, and that 14. Yeah. So 24 of these are 24 in total. But remember they gave us 30. So it will be 30 minus 24, which is 6. So B would be the correct answer. Osira hand was raised. Osira, I'll give you a chance. Don't worry about it. I'm just seeing it hand. All right, this one now. We said the expanded form of a number is shown below. 4,000 plus 1 plus 80 plus 600. Which represents the number in standard form? So go ahead and attempt that one, guys. And then we will discuss. Let me try to reach out to some of these persons who are texting. Roxy. Hello? Oh, let me see your text. Just text me again because hold on. No, me never see you text me all day. Me text it to you. That was 6:30. Oh, me just see them. Yeah, but class it starts 6:24. No, me never see it. Everybody a call me last minute. Osh, osh, osh. Cause them time they me a prepare for class, man. Me never ask it. Yeah. Go ahead, Kamiko.
Okay, sir. I got C. How I got C? Add 4,000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 1. I'm gonna get 4,681.
Okay. Very good. So you say 4,000, then the 600, and then the 80, and then the 1. I agree. All right, give me a second, guys. All right, go on to the one here, number 3. We want to finish this. All right, you say what are the next 2 terms in the sequence in the pattern below? I'm trying to see if I can hear from go ahead, Marco Dean.
Okay, sir. So the first thing we do, sir, we try to find the pattern.
Very good.
So what I did, sir, I minus 47 by 41 and got 6. But I need to find the whole pattern before I actually continue. So I minus 54 by 47 and I got 7. So that means it's going up by 1.
as it adds. So sir, it would be 71 minus 62, and then you would get 9. So we know 71 plus 10 go equal to 81. So now we are going to plus it by 11 because we just added it by 10 equals 92.
So what's your answer? B?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thanks so much, Marco Dean. Let me see if I can get someone very well spoken. Latanya, go ahead.
So, sir, I realized the pattern. So each time they are adding 1, right, sir?
Mm-hmm.
So they had it. So on 41 they had added 6. On 47 they on 47 to 54 they added 7. For 54 to 62 they added 8. 62 to 71 they added 9, and the 71 to, so after that you're going to add on one more on that 9, which is going to become 10. So it's going, when 10 plus 71 is equal to 81, and 8, and then you're going to add, and then you're going to add a next one on that 10, which is going to become 11. So you're now going to say 81 plus 11 gives you 92.
You guys are convincing, so I'm gonna have to agree with that. Honestly, guys, I'm not really check it in, but yeah, me trust you. Very good. All right. So you say which statement is true? Let me get here. Which statement is true? A, the only factors of 4 are 4 and 1. B, the only factors of 5 are 5 and 1. C, the only factors of 6 are 6 and 1. D, the only factors of 9 are 9 and 1. I think that one is pretty straightforward. Taraji. What are you pronouncing name? Johnson. What are you pronouncing name, Johnson?
Sir, it's Taraji.
Taraji. So I was correct. Taraji. All right, go
Yeah.
ahead, Taraji.
So my answer is A.
All right, thanks so much. Let me get
Yeah.
someone else. For number 4, right? All right. Laura. Go ahead, Laura. All right, Laura, that back or something. Dale. Go ahead, Dale.
Good night, sir.
Good night, Dale. How are you doing?
Fine.
All right, awesome. What's the answer for
Which,
4?
which statement is true? Sir, I chose 9, sir. B, sir.
D as in dog?
Yes, sir.
All
D.
right. All right, thanks so much.
Yes, sir.
Let me check Cassidy. Cassidy, what's happening?
Sir, I
Mm-hmm.
would say B for boy because the factors of 4 are 2, 1, and 4. The factors of 6 are 2, 3, 1, and 6. And the factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. And the factors of 5 are 5 and 1.
Okay, let me check one more person. Thanks. She thinks it's B. Stain. I think this is Marshall. What's
Answer
happening,
is, sir.
Marshall? Good afternoon. What's your answer?
My answer is B because the factors of 5 is 5 and 1. The factors of 4 is 2 and 1. The
The factors of 6 are 2 and 3 and 1. And the factors of 9 are 3
Yeah,
and 1. Yeah.
I agree. So guys, you notice that it's prime number, right? You're looking for 5 is a prime number. So it only has two factors, 1 and 5. So you see, they can integrate those topics, you know. These are all composite numbers, so they only have two factors. You see how them do it cute? So I agree with Cassidy and who would I just present again? The last person. Who was it again? Yeah. I agree with those persons. The only factors of 5 are 5 and 1. Of 5 are 5 and 1. All of these are composite, alright? So guys, we cannot afford to give away these marks in the exam. Come on, guys. A lot of persons are on 100% same way, you know. And those who lose the marks, you want to gain more so you can go up there. So we cannot afford to lose any mark. All right, let's look at number 5. It said, which operation should be placed in the box to make the number sentence below 2? I'm expecting 100% persons to get this one. Right, go ahead and send, please. All right, so we're at number 5 now. Who is Roshi? Roshi, you want to go ahead?
Rashanta, go ahead.
So like she's not ready. Let me call on somebody else. Ready, Rashanti? No, not even. Hold on. Like it's a glitch in the system. Who's
Sir,
hearing me now? What
I want you to
operation?
explain per number 4.
No man, we are at 5 now. You're a mathematician. Go ahead.
Sir, 47. My answer is D, sir.
Divide.
Yes, sir.
Alright, thanks so much, Rashanti. Let me see if we can get in the next person to see if they agree or disagree. Well, you can unmiss it up now, you know. The person with the art. Jeremiah, that?
Sir?
Your hand was up. Go ahead.
Oh, okay, sir. Number 5, right, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, so I said which operation should be placed in the box to make the number sentence below 2. Sir, I pick D, sir. Sir,
D
the
as
reason I
in
pick
dog.
yes, sir,
Alright.
cause the reason I pick D, sir, cause 479 plus 7. When you add those together, sir, it will give you a bigger number than 68.3. When they subtract, sir, the number is
Yeah.
still going to be too big, sir. When they multiply, sir, the number is going to be even bigger, sir. But sir, when they divide, sir, you're going to get 68.3, sir.
Alright. Agree. Alright, so
Yes,
let's move on to number 6. Good job. All right, guys. I'm still taking calls, guys, because I have a good heart. Still, because I know the value of it. All right. Keep the answers coming in, please. Anybody not get to come on, guys? Trust me. There's nothing that I could have done about it. I try my very best to answer everyone, even though persons. It is correct. All the others came on. It is correct. All right, let me call on someone. I think everyone basically choose a particular one. Kylie, I have a Kylie Burton.
Yes, sir. So each stroke represents one. So after the 50, you would say 50.1, 50.2, 50.3, 50.4, 50.5, 50.6, 50.7, and 50.8. So the answer would be C, sir.
All right, let me see if I can get in someone else. Thanks so much. Guys,
Welcome.
because we have so many persons, may I try to get everybody. I mean, like when students vex with me and I say, sir, you never called for me, you're not like me. I know that, guys, it's many persons, so me try. I'm trying my best. Kezia, go ahead. Me like all around, guys, all around. Everybody do excellent. Kezia, we're not hearing, so we have to go move on to someone else then. Still not hearing Kezia. Let me try Kimar, somebody named Kimar Parchment. Kimar, not there either.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You want to try this one?
No, sir. I'm still working it
Kimar,
out.
we're all mathematicians, nothing is wrong with try. It's not like I'm gonna be angry if I get it incorrect, right?
I don't really understand.
All right. Fair enough. Go ahead, Mia Lawrence.
Sir, I chose C, sir, because D could work because it's over 51, sir, and the arrow is clearly pointing a number that is lesser than 51, sir. So between 50 and 51, sir, I just counted the strokes until I reached where the arrow was, and I got 50.8 grams
Yeah.
as
All
the
right.
answer.
All right. Thanks so much. That wasn't Mia. All right. Let me see now. There was somebody that I didn't see the name. The first I'm seeing the name. So how come Latanya? Think that person is new. Go ahead, Latanya.
Miss, sir, it
Sir,
was Miss,
sir,
sir,
you're my earth.
sir, sorry, sorry.
All right, go ahead.
Sir, C, sir. I agree with the other two girls. I
Yeah,
agree with them because we were just counting the points till we reach the stroke, which is going to give us 50.8 grams.
yeah. And this one would be five, right? Six, seven, eight.
Yes, sir.
Very good. There was a boy that I called and he said he didn't quite understand. Remember, you can literally do trial and error. You can try if they're going up by one, so you count it and see if you get the 50. If you don't get the 50, then you can do a little trial and error again. You can go by two, and so on and so on. Or if it's half, if it's two of them, make one or so. All right, very good, very good. Thanks so much. Which one of the following, hold on, which which of the following option is not an example of a square number? Go ahead and work that out. Which of the following option is not an example of a square number? Oh, good. Send them in, guys. So we can ask someone to go through. Sorry. Go ahead, Gabriel. Everyone should finish that right now, guys. Knowledge base, no calculation. Go ahead, Gabriel.
Sir, I say the answer is D. Because when you go back to the definition of a square number is a number when you multiply, like for example, 3 times 3 is 9. So when you multiply 3 by itself, you would get a square number. That's how 9 is a square number. 6, when you multiply any number by itself, you do not get 6. So that's why I have the answer 6.
All right. Let me try someone else. Thanks so much. Thanks so much. I think this is what Ajani. Go ahead, Ajani.
Sir, my answer is D. How I got this answer is that for A, 49, you can do 7 times 7. For B, 25, you can do 5 times 5. And for C, 16, you can do 4 times 4. But you cannot do any number with 6.
All right. I agree. Guys, you know, so one time me never, it take me a while to see, to figure out this. Yo! Because me never see this word, the square. I mean, I say, what is this? And then we go back up and read. All right, very good. Thank both of you are correct. Good job, good job. Soon get tougher, you know, guys. So, I know some of you love challenges, so just be patient. It will get tough. All right, let's look at this one now. It says, read the rule below and use it to answer number 8 rather. In a pattern, each term in the series is found by multiplying the previous number by a constant, the same number. Which pattern would follow this rule? A, B, C, or D? Why hear from about 4 students with this one? Why hear from about 4 of you guys? But WhatsApp it to me first, guys, so we can have that to look on and compare. Hold on again. Let me just WhatsApp up here on here because I think understand. All right, guys, let's just take a few persons. Let's just take a few persons. I didn't do Catilia Harris from the on this one. So let me try Catilia Harris. Go ahead, Catilia.
Sir, my answer is D
How we get?
because you keep multiplying the number by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 8, 8 times 2 16, 32 times 2 64, 64 times 2 128, 128 times 2 256.
All right. All right. Let me put somebody else on the floor. Let me put somebody else on the floor. Hold on. Thanks, Catilia. Thanks so much. Let me see who for L. What about Kasani Low? You don't want to go, Low? Kasani, you don't want to go? All right. Let me get somebody else. Put somebody else. Now look for somebody who have not presented as yet. Sakina. I didn't. No, no, you did, your hand wasn't up. You want to go, Sakina? No? All right.
Yes,
So,
sir.
all right. Go ahead, Sakina.
It says in a pattern, each term in the series is found by multiplying the previous term by a constant, the same number. Which pattern would follow this rule? I looked at them. I looked at A, it says 0, 1, 1. It can't be A. Because
All
0, if you say 0 times 1 is 1, yes. But 1 times 1 is 1, but 1 times 1 is not 2, so it cannot be A. B, no. You can say 1 times, no, I mean, it cannot be that because 0 times any number is 0. For C, it cannot be that because I can say 1 times 3 is 3, but 3 times 1 is not 6. So I said D because 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 8 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32, 32 times 2 is 64, 64 times 2 is 128, and so on.
Yeah, well done. Both of you, well done. Awesome. You guys have grown so much. I'm so proud of you guys. All right. Which of the following shows the reciprocal of 0.05? All right. This one will check a lot of persons. Go ahead, guys, and WhatsApp me that one. Let me see if we can get in some persons now. Now look for some new names. Somebody named Alex. Alex Me. Go ahead, Alex Me. First I'm calling that night from that name.
5/100.
Hmm? You afraid of this challenge? But still try, man. This is the maths class, right?
I'll say that be 5/100.
I'm not hearing. Alright, Osira, go ahead. Guys, we have to be bold, guys. No matter who the shyness, man. We're here to learn, right? Go ahead, Osira.
Okay, so sir, the answer would have been D, because it said which of the following shows the reciprocal of 0.05. So in order to change it to the reciprocal, you would have to change the 0.05 to a whole number. So to do that, you would have to put it over 100, because you would put it over 100 because there is 2 digits after the decimal point, and 100 has 2 digits as well, 2 zeros as well. So we would have put it over 100 and then jump 2 times to the left, I think. No, I think it would be to the left, and then you would have got 5, and then put it over 100, so it would have been 5/100.
Alright, let me take somebody else. Thanks so much. Addison. I haven't got that person since day. Go ahead, Addison. Seems like it's not working. Addison, go ahead.
Sir, so I would choose D
D as well.
because of the place of the 5, which is
Okay.
2 decimal places away, which would be
Okay.
equivalent to 5/100.
Alright, thanks so much. David, go ahead. That's David, right? David. Not getting David. Alright, I'm gonna repeat now, guys. I think I've called everyone that has the hand up. So nobody can say, well, you never call me, no, sir. You never call me. I think I've called everyone. And what about Jake Kwan? I don't think I caught him and Johnny. Go ahead, Jake Kwan.
Okay, sir. Sir, I choose D, sir.
That's in
Sir,
dog.
yes, sir. Sir, the reason why I choose D, sir, because reciprocal mean flip the fraction, sir. And sir,
Alright.
A, sir, it's a decimal. And in B, sir, that's a whole number, sir. And
Alright.
sir, in C, sir, you have 5/10 and 5/100. So it's between C and D, sir.
We
And
have
when
to
I look,
choose one. Yeah.
yes, sir. And when I look for the so when I look on the zero, sir, I realized, sir, it's D, sir. That's how I
Oh,
got my answer.
okay.
2
Alright.
places, for the zeros.
Alright. Let me put on a Johnny. Thanks so much. These two are Johnny. Sinclair and this the one that a Johnny. Why a Johnny?
Sir, my answer is A.
Five.
How I got A is that reciprocal means flip around, and the 5 is in the hundredth place. But when you flip it around and you look at A, A has 5 in the 10th place, but it has the 2 zeros behind it, which means it's flipped around. So this is
Okay.
why I say A.
Thanks so much. Now we're gonna put Sakina. Guys, as if so me I try to get everyone involved, right? Go ahead, Sakina.
So, sir, I pick B.
As in 20.
Yes, sir.
Explain.
Because to find the reciprocal of a number, you divide 1 by the number. And 1 divided by 0.05 equals 20.
Alright. Let me see if I get in one. So some person said 5/10, 100. Some say A. No one chose C. My God. C is lonely. Let me get one more person. Nathan White. I don't think I call that name since day. Go ahead, Nathan. Nathan don't want to talk. All right. Marco D. No, it's like we'll never get him. I could put on Marco D. Wait there. No, Arby this man. I'm a good friend Arby that. Yo, Arby, oh, you don't put up your hand. What? What? Arby, say something, man. Say something. What do you think is the answer, Arby? Not hearing Arby. All right, so guys, we're not hearing Arby. I don't know what's happening. But let me just, um, I think you guys have the idea, but where we went wrong though, we forget the word reciprocal. Some persons forget that. So some persons only found this. 5/100 is 0.05 is 5/100. But remember what they want. They want the reciprocal. What we do in the fraction, like we have 3/4, and we find the reciprocal of 3/4. What was it? Wasn't it 4/3? So wouldn't the reciprocal of this be 100/5? So basically what Sakina said would have been correct. It's actually 20. Because you have to find the reciprocal. I think we focus more on what this means, 5/100, right? So this is correct, but they want the reciprocal, so you have to flip it. All right, so when you find the reciprocal, it's 20/5, which work out to 20. So guys, we have a lot of work to do. And guys, let me say this on the video. In the Easter, I'm gonna dedicate my time to prep students because I realize that we have a lot that we can, we can sharpen up on a lot. I wanna know Mr. Bennett, you're not gonna leave when stranded. So I don't know when it's Easter, but when it's Easter, I'm gonna make some time so we can have some classes. I'm also gonna be doing some videos for you guys. So look forward to that. Number 10. There are 30 cast members in a play. During this rehearsal, only 18 of them showed up. What percentage of the cast members showed up? WhatsApp that to me and then we can discuss. All right. There are 30 cast members in a play. During rehearsal, only 18 of them showed up. What percentage showed up? Oh, Kemar. But Kemar, I did call on you. Right, Kemar? I did call on Kemar. I just got a text from Kemar. I called on you before I saw the text. So guys, I could put Kemar parchment on it. Go ahead, parchment.
So the question I want to answer was the one above, but
All right. But guess what Mr. Bennett is gonna say? You what Mr. Bennett say? all we can be tested on all of these questions, so we have to know all of them. So I wanted to try number 10. Guys, I'm not the type of teacher who are going to say, how dare you get that wrong in my class? I've never done anything like that. So you always can try, right? All we're going to do is just discuss it and all of that. No one is going to attack anyone or anything. So you can try, man. Even if it's the one above you want it to do. Alright?
Yeah.
Time music go on in your background, man. Alright, go ahead.
I'm gonna try number 10. I was trying to work it out.
Oh, you know, finish it.
So,
Alright, let me give somebody else a chance. We'll finish. Alright. Let me call upon Jacqueline. Mine say, Mr. Benny, call Jacqueline. That's what mine say. Go ahead, Jacqueline.
Okay, so the question says that there are 30 cast members in a play. During rehearsal, only 18 of them showed up. What percentage of cast members showed up? So you're simply going to put 18 over 30 times 100. And you're going to find the highest common factor of 18 and 30, which is 6. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. And 30 divided by 6 is 5. When you divide 100 by 5, you get 20. And you multiply the 20 by the 3, which gives you 60%. Hence, my answer is D, 60%.
Alright, guys, when you explain it like that, it adds me call on somebody else. Yeah, very good, very good. So percent mean out of 100, right? So just like I say, teacher mark a grade now. Remember, when we're doing statistics. Some might not even know some of them time they have to go to work for revision now, guys. I don't know. I'm praying to God. So it's 18 out of 30 showed up, right? And we times that by 100%. What if they had said how many did not show up? What percentage did not show up? Jackie ain't gone? All right, Jacqueline is gone. Yeah, let's see if somebody can answer that. What if they had said how many did not show up? Same question. Kylie, how many did not show up? What percent? All right, we're not hearing Kylie. But anyway, guys, they didn't ask that. Further on, we probably can do that. All right, this one now. In a class that has 60 students, 31 students like mathematics, of course, it's going to be the most like maths. Come on now, guys. So what are they saying? 22 students like language arts and 8 students like both mathematics and language arts. Which of the following Venn diagram best represent? If you can draw it for yourself, guys, draw it. As I want to show you all the options. But draw it for yourself so you don't get confused. So this is option A and B. Write down the information, please. I'll give you time. In a class, you know, say, we should I go live, you know? The other kids can build. Yeah, Jacqueline. Jacqueline text me and say 40% did not show up. That's what I want you guys to reason out, you know. Let me show you options C and D, you know. And then I'll go back up, alright? You draw it for yourself, please. C say please, right? If one of them, they're the best option. Guys, I'm trying to show you all at once. Bear with me. I'll try. Let me minimize it one more time. If anything, you guys can zoom in. So yeah, so if you want something. All right, see there now it's showing everything, right? In a class that has 60 students, 31 like mathematics, 22 like language art, 8 students like both mathematics and language art. Which of the following diagrams best represents the information? Best, B-E-S-T, best. You know, I realize that it's not so hard. It's not so hard. All right, let me put a couple persons on the floor now and see what's happening. Tarangia. Taraji. You want to try? Not Taranji.
Sure.
All right, go ahead.
Okay, I could read it.
Yeah, man, read it.
Okay, it says in a class that has 60 students, 31 students like mathematics, 22 students like language arts, and 8 students like both mathematics and language arts. So my answer will be A.
All right, thanks so much. So A is that option. Let me get a couple more persons. Remember now, guys, put up your hand if you want to try. I think all the persons on that Shani. First time I'm
And
calling this name.
answer the
Hmm?
answer. Also, I don't understand number 9.
Number 9. All right. Then after this, let me just run go back up. I don't remember what it was, but let me just quickly run
Okay.
go over. Shanique. There's somebody named Shanique Brown. Go ahead. I think it's the first I'm seeing that name.
Sir, my answer is C
He has in cat.
because when you add up A, it does not equal to 60. B, it does equal to 45, but the numbers aren't right.
Okay. So your answer is C as in cat.
Yes, sir.
As when you add it, you get 60.
61.
All right. 61. Okay. No, but it's 60 them saying no, in the class of 60. So you sure you want to keep that answer? If it's your first time joining this class? Shani, that's the first time? All
No,
right.
sir.
Okay, okay. I don't get used to your name. Regine. I didn't call that names from there. Regine. Or is Rajon? Rajon.
Yes, sir.
Rajon. All right. Guys, parents them. If you now listen, when you give the kids them some name when we can call. The students them don't like when we pronounce your name wrong. You know have me under pressure. Alright, go ahead. Rachel.
I think the most valid answer would be C, sir.
C as in cat.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Alright, thanks so much. So both of you say C. Let me try to get somebody else. Latanya.
Sir, sir, I say D is my answer.
C as in dog.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Don't do that.
Alright. So D. Let me get one more and then me see if we can figure it out myself. Rashanti. Long time I call her name. You want to try this one, Rash?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, it says in a class that has 60 students, sir, and 30 students like mathematics. Sir, my answer is A because it has 31 for mathematics and 22 for language arts, and 8 students like both mathematics and language arts. So the 8 would be in the middle, connecting with mathematics and language arts. And in a class that has 60 students, sir, and the U represent equals to 60, sir. So that's why I pick A.
Alright, thanks so much. So guys, this is my opinion on it. I think these two we can throw away this. Why am I gonna throw away these? These numbers don't match. They say 60 and they say best. I don't think I'm not sure if the correct answer is there. They use the word best. So I'm gonna throw away these two because the universal set this is 45 and this is 61. So I'm gonna narrow it down to two of these. It's either this or this. Make a reason to. Now, they said 31 students like mathematics and 22 like language. They did say only, so that's kind of tricky, because this is only. This means 31 like maths only, 22 like language only. So if I add up all of this, see something. So it will be 31, 22, and the 8. 8 and 2, 10. So go actually give me 61. Da dee da dee da 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 da. Nobody saw that. It's actually 61. So I could look on this now. Guys, I some want to know reason to it, I don't want to know. Act like we know no mathematician. Reason it out. Try it. I could try that one here now. Now we have the total don't add up to 60 though. But remember, it can be a case where you have something outside of this, right? So this is our 8 and 4, 12, and 3, that's 15. So 5 per 1. It's actually 45. But if you look at it, a 31 in total, like maths with 2, and 22 in total, like that. It's just that they probably have 15 people outside when I like either. I think the best option would have been D. Because this one, it passed the universal set. See them? 30 and that 61. And they say base. You have to follow in base represent the information. So it actually have 31 math students with true and 22. 8 plus the 22. So I would say D. And if they didn't put the word base, then we'd have a problem because they didn't say only and so. But because it passed the universal amount, there's no way it can pass the universal if they say 60. All right, let's look at 12. The ratio, guys, ratio. In a box, the ratio of marbles is 7. What? The ratio of red marbles to blue marbles is 7 to 4. Which of the following could be the total number of marbles in the box? Could. I like this one. This one make you think a little, right? Guys, I'm expecting a lot of ratio on the paper, you know. So one of my students them lock down the ratio. In a box, which of them could be the number? All right. Yeah, let me see something. Don't see any. Okay. Vernon, go ahead, Vernon. You got it out already, Vernon? Vernon, hearing us? Not hearing Vernon at all.
Sir, I'm not ready.
Okay, let me see if somebody is ready. Marco D.
Okay, sir. So, sir, you say in a box, the ratio of red marbles to blue marbles is 7-4. That means red marbles are 7 and blue marbles are 4. So it says, which of the following could be the total number of marbles in the box? So, sir, what I did, sir, I counted up 7 4 times. So 7, 14, 21, 28. So, sir, this is how I got C, sir, 21, because it's listed as a factor of 7 and 4.
Okay, so your answer is C.
Yes, sir.
Thanks so much. Let me get in some others before we give our opinion. Jeremy and Dell, you want to go? Your name is right beside you, so let me just call on them.
Sir, good night again, sir.
Good night.
Sir, I added 7 plus 7, and I get 14, sir, and then I added the 14 plus the 4, sir, and I got 18, sir.
18 is the answer?
Yes, sir.
So 1 choose 21, 1 choose 18. Thanks so much. Let me see if I can get in some more persons. Kezia. Let me see if Kezia will try. Wait, Kezia.
Sir, I'm not ready.
All right, not ready. Burton, you see my call? Guys, me love say me a call on you now, only now answer you know. As you guys will say, oh, sir, no call on me. I'm trying to call on everyone.
Sir, my answer is D because if you say so 7, the ratio is 7 and 4, and then 7 times 2 is 14, and 4 times 2 is 8, and 14 plus 8 is 22.
They say 14 to 8 and you break it down 7 to 4.
Yes.
That,
So the answer would be D.
D as in dog. That make a lot of sense, you know, guys. Because look, it says which of these? I think once you added this 7 plus 4, you get 11. Then you just look which number can go 11 can go into. That was it, you know. But yeah, very well done, right? So one share represent two. So just like what she said, 7 twos are 14, and then that are 8. When you add them, you get 22. You see? Couldn't be this. It didn't you guys look at it one side when I say 7, 14, 21. Guys, I'm gonna Easter, I'm definitely gonna have more classes. Alright? I need to sharpen up you guys' skill. So I'm gonna look at my calendar when it's Easter because I don't remember. I know that I'm gonna go 3 days at a workshop at a high school, but I'm gonna organize so you guys can have some time with me. I'll probably cancel one of the day so you guys can have class. But we cannot put in so much work and then we are drop off now. You understand, guys? We have to do well in the curriculum use. That carry the most mark, which is 50%. So we have to master it. We must. We don't have any choice. All right, let's look to 13. Which diagram below show the ratio of unshaded boxes to the shaded boxes as 5 to 3? Good luck with this one. The Easter break is the 15th, so the 15th to the 18th. For the other week now, I'm gonna give you guys some days. We have to do it in a day though. Uh April 15th. So starting the 21 I'm on holiday, right? I don't know which holiday though. We'll probably can have class the Tuesday and the Wednesday and the Thursday. And then you guys can just get Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All right, keep the answers coming, guys. Want to see some more persons sending in first four go through. Let's go, let's go. So far, I get a whole. All right. So this is what that is. Easter is the 21. First of April. Okay. So Easter the 21. That are Easter Monday. Me understand now. That are the Monday. So we won't have class on that day. But if you guys want, I can arrange to have it like the Tuesday and so forth. Early morning class too, guys, so we can get some free time. Probably can do it 8 o'clock. And then you're free for the rest of the day. Oh, somebody asked to go up to 9. Guys, remind me. So go up to number 9 before the class end, right? Somebody did say that and I said I was gonna go back up. And number 9, I didn't do it. I'm gonna call a couple people now and see what. Everybody must finish now. Aiden, Bill. First, I'm seeing that name for today. Go ahead, Aiden. Not hearing Maxwell at all. Let me try Kimani. Kimani, you want to try 13?
No, sir.
Right, man. Guys, this is not the class where if I get something wrong, somebody's gonna criticize you. Alright? I know you're probably new, but we don't do that. Everyone is basically a mathematician here. So we don't do that. We support each other. Who noticed that about this class? We don't, we call it constructive criticism. That's what we criticize. We don't say, yeah, idiot. No one has ever said that. Someone just says, sir, I disagree because, so you can try. Everybody can try. Go ahead, Kimani. Don't be afraid. Guys, that's why you have to build your confidence, you know. Don't be afraid to build your confidence, man.
Sir, I got B.
All right, B.
And the way how I got B was because there's in total there's 8 different blocks and only 3 of them are shaded. So the 3 could be the 3 on the ratio. And then there are 5 spaces that are not shaded, meaning that those could be the upper 5 for the first part of the ratio, meaning that this could be the answer.
All right. Thanks so much. That wasn't hard. Very well. All right. We could try some others now, and then we can discuss. Sakina, that's how we do it, you know, guys. We hear from each other, right?
Yes, sir.
You want to try this one?
Yes, sir.
All right.
It says which diagram below shows the ratio of the unshaded boxes to the shaded boxes as 5:3. If we look at A, it's just one thing, and only a part of it is shaded and one part is not shaded. So it's gonna be 1-1, I think. For I agree with B because it says the ratio of unshaded boxes, which is 5, and to the shaded boxes, which is 3. For C, it is 5 equal parts, but 3 is shaded, and 2 is not shaded. So I disagree. For D, it has 10 parts, and 6 of them is shaded, while 4 of them is not shaded, and it does not match up with the ratio. So I pick D.
All right. Thanks so much. I'm gonna put on Kamiko. I think I see that on up the top now. Kamiko. Go ahead, Kamiko.
Oh, wait.
Go and mute back himself. Or a mistake. All right. Kamiko, don't
Yes,
worry.
a mistake.
Okay, okay.
Sir,
All right.
I agree, it's B.
B, as in bat. Or
Yes.
Bennett. Yeah. All right. I agree as well. Because remember, just like what the first presenter said, right? It's 5-3. No, 5 is unshaded. That's very important, right? While 3 is shaded. So that could be the 5-3. Unshaded first. This one, as Sakina said, don't make any sense because this is 2 and this is 3. So this is basically 3-2, or if you turn it around, it's 3-3-2. It's not 5-3. And with this one now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 shaded and 4. So when you break down this, 2/3 or 3 to 2, right? So the best option is B, just like what Tumani, Fatima, and the others say. All right. Richard. Richard Miller is on, Yeah, so Richard is rolling a number. Is rolling a number cube with faces numbered 1 to 6. But guys, the probability, those who in this Saturday class, the probability this, we just did this, guys, probability. Tuesday, we're going to do it for those persons who come Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. We're going to do probability. All right? We are going fine, guys. We are going fine. Lovely. All right, Richard is rolling a number cube with faces numbered 1 to 6. What's the probability that the result on the next roll will be an even number? Even number. Guys, I know class was scheduled for end now, but I beg you guys some time, all right? I beg you guys some time. Let's see if we can get a presenter. So anything first, guys. Guys, let's call on few volunteers. This should not take us long at all. Let's see if there's any name that I haven't called. Guys, maybe going a few moments out on the time, all right? Edwards, I haven't seen that person, and Jaden next. Jaden and is up as well. So Sanelia, who is that? Edwards. Go ahead, Edwards. Not hearing Edwards at all. Oh, go ahead, Edwards. No, I'm not hearing Edwards. All right, let's try Jaden. Jaden, go ahead. Some persons haven't done. What about Ajani Sinclair? You want to try? All right. Me shame, guys. Me shame me. Nobody not respond to it. Let me try somebody else. I like when students answer me because I phone the class and I say class. Jamar, what about Jamar? You want to try Jamar? No.
No, sir.
God. Me shame. Somebody who in a Saturday class. We do this Saturday, right? Introduce it. Who have done, some persons have not done it yet. I want to do it to the Tuesday class, Thursday class, and the Friday class.
Okay, sir. So it says Richard is rolling a number cube with faces numbered 1 through 6. What is the probability that the number results on the next row will be an even number? Sir, since it says an even number, it could not be 1 out of 6 because even though 1 can go into 6, that would be it because 1 is not a half of 6. It could be 2 out of 6 because 2 is not a half of 6. It would be 3 out of 6 because 3 is a half of 6 or 50% of 6. And it could not be 6 out of 6 because that's a whole.
Okay, okay. What's the answer? Okay, okay. Hi, what's the option? I didn't tell us. C or what?
Answer C.
Okay. All right. Somebody said me to call on them, but they didn't answer. I don't remember who. All right. So guys, we're gonna do this in class. It's gonna be so much fun. So all it is saying, right? On the die you have this. Well, a cube. Them say a cube. So it's not a die, a cube. It have this, you know. And they say what is the probability that the result of the next row will be an even number. So all we're doing is saying this is our denominator. How many numbers in total? 6. That's our denominator. How many possible even numbers you can throw? You can throw a 2, you can throw a 4, or a 6. So you have 3 options or a half. So it will be 3 out of 6. So they didn't break it down. Very good. But guess what? We're going to be doing this week for those who have not done it as yet. In the figure below, points P, A, and R lie on the same line. What is the sum of the measure of angle PAS and SAR?
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yeah, man, go ahead.
should I answer this question?
Yeah, man, definitely.
Okay, sir. So it says in the figure below, points P, A, and R lie on the same line. As you can see, SAR is an acute angle, while PAS is an obtuse angle. So number 15 is asking us, what is the sum of the measures of angle PAS and SAR? An acute angle measures from 0 to 90. So we'll put 90 for the first number. And then PAS is an obtuse angle that measures from 180 to 270. So 180 plus 90 gives you 270. So the answer is C.
All right, thanks so much. Thanks so much. So you think it's C? All right, quite a number of persons actually picked that as their option. Let me just quickly get any another. We can't do the whole heap of persons no because time factor. Nathan, you want to go? All right. All right, what it is now, guys? Nathan didn't go. So what is the sum of the measure of angle PAS? So this is the angle PAS. This angle right here. Plus SAR, which is this angle here. This is actually a straight angle. Straight angle measures 180 degrees. So it's actually 180. Alright? Let's see if we can do one more, guys. I promise I won't keep you guys too long, as I know you have school and whatever. So we can start back from 7. The weight of a slice of a bread is 2.5 milligram rather. How many slices are there in 22.5 milligram loaf of bread? I want to see how you guys work on that. I would love. Guys, we can stop here for today. After that one, all right? All right, guys. Let me put on a couple preview and then we can go. Somebody said I didn't call on them. Rashid. Try to call on everyone, you guys, but that's how it goes sometimes. Rashid, you want to go ahead with this one? Some persons decline as well. I just call on the ones that have the number. No, Rashid.
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Since it says 2.5 milligrams equals to one slice of bread, add up 2.5 milligrams 9 times, you would get 32.5 milligrams.
So you just
So
keep
it would
adding
equal to
2.5, 2.5. That
nine.
makes sense. All right. All right. So guys, we're not gonna draw it out because I realize you guys are tired. And it makes sense because we already do a 1 hour class with you guys already and whatever, right? So we don't want to overdo it. It was supposed to 8, but we end up go to 8:15. But yeah. So next time we can start back from 16. I hope everyone enjoyed it as much as I did. So we have some more to look on, all right? And so you guys can get some rest now, all right, guys? And everybody take care, and I'll see you guys.
Sir,
Excuse me,
Bye,
sir.
sir,
sir.
what about number
Bye,
nine?
sir.
Because sir,
Oh,
we
yeah,
can't do
yeah,
number
yeah,
because
number 9.
we're
We'll
number
have, we'll have,
nine.
Go to number 9.
yeah, yeah.
B, sir.
Number 9,
What
number 9.
number 9 is?
B, sir.
All right, which one of the following shows the reciprocal? Yeah. All right, so guys,
Sir, just come off of it.
Bye, sir.
yeah, bye, take care. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, we could go back over this
Sir, we
again.
can't go up to
Yeah, you can
number
go, you
20.
can go. If you wish, you can go. Bye, take care. Yeah, I will.
Bye,
So guys,
sir.
yeah.
Excuse me,
Bye.
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, Jeremiah.
Bye,
Sir, when is the
sir.
next marathon, sir?
Eh?
When
Still,
is the
Bye,
next
still
marathon?
think that
All
it's
right, we're
8.
gonna do it Sunday again, guys. And then Easter, I'm gonna arrange for Easter because we're gonna get an Easter break, right?
So, sir, what time? The same time?
Yeah,
sir.
man, it will be the same time because remember I have the regular classes, you know.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
Hmm?
the reason why I couldn't talk when
It's look like
you
it's a
asked
glow.
to talk
Bye, sir.
is because
Yeah, bye.
Look like it's a
I
glow.
always double tap, sir.
Oh. Yes, I end up mute back. I understand. So guys, I hope the person don't go on for this one, right? He said, which of the following show the reciprocal
No.
of this, right? So as this stand, this is the value of this one right now. Because remember, it's a decimal. 0.05 is the same as 5 over 100, right? Because if we should divide this now, decimal point is here. I'm going to move 2 times to the left, 1, 2. So this is the same as this. So if we just find the reciprocal of 5 over 100, what would that be? Wouldn't it be 100 over 5?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
And
It would
then
be 100/5.
and then you divide. So when you divide, you get 20.
Yeah, but
And
sir, sir,
Yes,
I
sir. And
still
then
don't think the
now,
answer is 20.
Yes, sir. I
yeah, but
think it's
you have all the evidence. That's how some persons are, you know, guys. You have all the evidence, and you say you still don't think.
yes, sir.
Why? What is your answer?
All right, sir. Why? Because reciprocal means that you're gonna flip it around.
Yeah,
So
but
there
that's what we did.
is
If you flip, oh, me know what you think.
yeah.
Oh God, no, no, no. You're thinking like you flip this around, like as in
Yeah.
from left to right. No, it means you flip the fraction. Like 2 over 4, 4 over 3. Oh Lord, I see what you're saying now.
so, sir.
5,
Every time when you reciprocate, it has to be fraction.
this is a be for 5, guys. This is a be for 5. So the reciprocal of 5 is 1 over 5. That's all. Because 5 as a fraction is 5 over 1. So the reciprocal will be 1 over 5. And this will be what? 0.2. So the reciprocal of 5 is actually 0.2. I just see what you mean now. As I was wondering. Yeah, man. It's actually B for real. B is
Sir, can
correct.
you do number 15?
Oh, okay.
We just did 15. That's what we just did, you know. So,
If you pay to make it reach faster, I just one year. Then you will get will be.
Alright, it's just a straight line. Straight line angle measures 180 degrees. So this is the entire angle. Hold on, somebody else.
Yeah, sir.
Hold on. Somebody background in 90. Yeah, the entire you're gonna add the two angles. So no matter how you look at it, it's gonna be a straight angle. Look, when you add the two of them at this. This is 180 degrees. You see? If you come around here, this is
Yes, sir.
another 180. So that's why the circle measures how many?
But sir, anyways you take it, it says sum. Me, you're
Yeah.
just supposed to add them together.
Exactly.
So for SAR,
You
that's
don't know the
90.
angle. No, it's not 90. Let me show you something. It's not 90, and that's a misconception. 90 stays something like this. We can't draw it straight. This is 90 degrees. So this is not 90. None of them is 90. And I think that's the misconception.
Oh.
Alright? Yeah.
Yeah.
And look at it. If you should wait, let me draw it even straighter, because you know me like clarity. More I show the stuff now.
Okay.
Yeah. This would be 90, and this would be 90. Notice like a L, right? So two of them together
Yes, sir.
would be 180. It doesn't matter how the angles stay on this. Look, you could have this like so. This is still 180. You understand?
Oh.
Yeah. Still one. Even if you have it like this.
So it's still gonna equal to 180
Yeah, because
degrees.
it's a straight line. Yeah, it's a straight line.
Yeah, I know that.
So straight line add up to 180.
Yeah, just because I saw it said that sums of the measurements.
Yeah, but we don't know the
That's
angle.
why I thought.
Yeah, we don't know the angle, but it doesn't matter. We just know that two of them add up to 180. So if this are 1, for example, this are 180 now. If this are 90, this is 90. Alright?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's how we come class, guys. So we can learn the proper way, right?
Sir, I don't understand number 11, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care.
Yeah, sir. This one too. I also have an issue.
Alright, go ahead.
Me.
Sir.
No, they say which one best.
Sir,
What
could I
does the
explain
word
why?
best mean?
Sir,
Go ahead.
Okay, so my answer was A. Why? The question said that 60 students were in the class, something like that, and 31 students like mathematics, 22 students like language arts, and 8 students like math and language arts. Therefore, the union will equal to 60, and mathematics based on the information that you got, and you're going to put it into diagrams now. 31 would be mathematics, and 8 would be the intersection, and 6 and for language arts will be 22 students. Even though it doesn't add up to 60, therefore, anyways you take it, you need to use the information that it gave you.
No, I disagree, because this is not saying that 31 like mathematics. This is saying 39. like mathematics.
Oh.
And this is saying 30. 8
Sir,
and 8 and that hour, 30.
No,
sir,
sir, you have to do it.
sir, can I tell you how I
And the
got?
universal set no match. So that's we can't work with that. Notice it said best. It said best. So the best option would be
But
D.
sir,
Sir, can
but
I tell
sir,
you how I got it?
No man, wait till
sir,
the other person say but something first. Go on, go ahead. We have to
but
listen out, you know.
these universal isn't 60.
Yes, it
So the
is.
universal is 60, but
Sir,
Yeah, but he said which one best describe it. This one pass it, you know. At least with this, as I said, it could be 15 outside. But there's no way this can work because it already passed the universal set. The
sir, can I?
universal set define how many elements in the entire thing. So
Sir,
if you pass it, it could not work. At least it have a chance, right? That's
can I
why they
try?
use the word best. Go
Sir, but
ahead now.
Oh, okay, sir. I
hey,
understand
was
now because you subtracted.
sir,
Yeah.
sir, many things, sir, the
It was
number
my turn.
sir. Like they never did give the correct number. I'm kinda still confused.
Because
Yeah,
first
but
of
it's not
all,
perfect. They did say that. They said the best one.
but sir, first of all, what I did after you said that, I subtracted 8 from 31, which I got the 23, and then the 20, and then 8 from the 22, which I got no.
Yeah, but remember, you know, they draw the Venn diagram already. So if they have the 23 here, so and the 8 here, so
Sir, can I
and
explain now?
that's how you are thinking about it. That's how you're thinking about it. So you come back to this, right? That's what you're thinking, right?
Oh, okay.
If you subtract, yeah.
Yeah.
Sir, can I
Mhm.
try now?
Yeah, man. Just done, you know. Go ahead, go ahead. Of course you can try. Because I have to go shortly, guys. I haven't eaten dinner as yet.
Okay, sir. So I got D because I realized that for mathematics it was 31 and for language arts it was 20. And all I did was look at the intersection, and the intersection had 8, so all I did was minus 8 from 31, and I got 23, and I
Yeah.
minus 8 from 22, and I got 14. So that's how I got D.
Yeah, yeah. I agree with you. It's the best one. It's not the perfect one, but yeah, the best one. Based on that. Oh, guys, the next marathon is Sunday. I will arrange in the other days
Okay.
of it. Yeah. A lot of
Bye,
people
sir.
asking. Bye. Take care. See you guys soon. All right.
Yes,
It
sir.
was a great class. It was a great class.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was.
Mm-hmm.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Only
Yeah.
7 people? That's crazy.
Everybody gone. A long time class study, you know.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care. See you soon. All right.
Okay, sir. Later,
Yeah.
sir.
Bye,
All right.
sir. Let
Bye. Take care. Yeah. Big up, Jeremiah. All
Okay,
right.
sir.
I will send the video. I remember
Okay,
after.
sir.
All right. Yeah.
Sir, do not forget, sir.
No, man, I won't. I won't.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. All right. Mm-hmm.